Hello everyone, we're at Summit. I'm here with Matt.
My name's Matt Rowe. I'm the Director of Cultivation here at Summit. I've been in the industry about 11 years, been with Summit for 4 of those.
What trends or innovations that you're keeping your eyes out for in the next 1 to 2 years?
Under canopy lighting is going to be one to keep your eye on. We've been testing the under canopy lights for about 6 months, and we've seen some really promising results so far.
6 months, that's no joke. What differences do you see between when you're doing testing, a group that's using under canopy and your control group?
We have seen an increase in overall usable biomass, but even more so, we have seen the distribution of the biomass has moved up the ladder essentially to where we're seeing more big buds, less trim, and less popcorn.
What are some areas and opportunities that you see that you can improve upon to control costs without sacrificing quality?
So everything from nutrients to all the equipment to using overpriced products, even the small improvements in efficiencies, it adds up when you're running a large scale facility.
Have you done anything recently to cut costs?
We try to get away from anything that is in a bottle, trying to find cheaper alternatives. We recently switched to a powdered form that was about a fifth of the cost. Something as simple as our wall fans. We have replaced them with wall fans that are half the cost. Switching to the Vita Wool blocks. Vita Wool produces a comparable product that's quite a bit less expensive. So
Did you notice any quality change?
we actually did quite a bit of testing before we made the switch, and there was no significant difference in the output of yield or quality of product.
What are the most important environmental parameters that you keep track of, and how do you balance them throughout the growth cycle?
BPD is a measure of the relationship between the temperature and the humidity. These are both really important factors as far as maintaining optimal growth rate as well as disease suppression. CO2 level as well, that's more automated. We do have equipment that is maintaining CO2 levels.
Do you have any secret sauce to maintaining good level of BPD?
HVAC will make or break a grow, so making sure that your equipment is being regularly maintained and making sure that it is sized correctly for the size of the room, the number of plants, and the lighting that you have.